just want to say hi.
Hi.
And tell us who you are and what you're getting late for.
Oh yes, I am Paul, and I am over here doing testing for the audio and the new camera. So checking on the video as well. And I'm getting late for work. But because it's friendship. Gotta be a friend and be here. And missing monies. And I'm not at work right now. But yes. I'm happy to be here and test the stuff. And I didn't know that the light is, I feel the heat from the light. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only son, for whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Eternal.